So on this top step account, I'm $800 away, like $830. Now Tradify, we're currently at 1,877, give or take 1,900, right? So that needs $1,200. So we'll see what we can do today. Now, when looking at the markets, this is Tradify. It's looking a bit fucked. I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see what we will see. We could fill. You know what I mean? Price could come up here and fill all this shit, but only time will tell. If I had to draw out any markings as of right now, it'd be here and then here. Right, market's just opened, so let's get into this shit. I'm not gonna rush into anything. I may not even take a trade just because I need an A plus setup to pass these accounts, and yeah. Wow, the range is very, very tight as well. This is a 96. Wow. Let's see. Also, I'm gonna load up trading view real quick. YM. YM's taking off. Nasdaq's pushing down. See what happens. Yeah, YM is broken out here. It's just a matter of if it can hold it, because as you can see, we do have a lot of space to fill.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in on buys. That was way too early. I don't know why I did that. Why did I do that? That was like me rushing. That was just panic. That was such a FOMO trade. That was such a FOMO entry. Let me...
Order filled.
Why did I do that? That was such FOMO. Boys, that was such FOMO from me right then. I don't know. Oh man, I hate making these videos, bro. But these are the videos where you learn and these are the videos where I learn and I look back and I reflect and I go, why did you do that, Brandon? And it's the pain that makes you change, right? So I look at it, I'm like, because I looked at YM, literally because I looked at YM flying, I was like, oh yeah, as soon as it's even fucking nibbles over the top, I mean, no, don't worry about it. This is literally why I do not look at both pairs at the same time. And well, I tell myself I shouldn't. So again, this is a reminder not to look at both pairs at the same time. Hence why I only trade Nasdaq. Because like there was no need to get in that. There was genuinely no need to get in that. But anyway, fucking div. Way too much FOMO just then.
Order filled.
This will be my last entry, this, boys. Again, you see me prior to this trade. What am I doing? I'm looking at every other pair but my pair. I'm looking at why I'm breaking out. I'm looking at gold. I'm not even looking at my pair, so lesson learned, I guess. Just a lesson learned. If this don't make it, then it is what it is. L day, unfortunately, which would be annoying. I've got in half position size this time, so usually I'm using 10 micros, but today with the range being so tight, so wide, I'm having to halve that, because usually 25, right? 25 pips would be this. That's so tight. Why did I even trade on this day? I literally told myself not to trade today and I fucking traded. What a dickhead. Because also we have this PMI bullshit. And I said this the other day in the last video. I was like, I notice a difference every time. Every time I trade on this PMI day, I always ends up losing. But It's not going to close our way. This is still the first 5-minute candle. I should have waited.
Order filled.
It's always when I'm one trade off away from passing. I'm always one trade away from passing all these fucking accounts, and this always happens. So annoying, so frustrating. So frustrating. I tell you what, the first L... Yeah, I've lost on these accounts. Sorry, the first L I should have taken. I should have only been down 1 hour right now. And to be honest with you, I probably shouldn't have traded, especially when there's been such a big move being made here. I don't know, man. See what happens. YM move though. What the fuck is going on, bro? YM made the move. It's 1 to 2, Bosch. Nasdaq, man. Oh my god, what has Nasdaq been doing to us lately, man? Fucking hell. See if it's done out. What the Oh, bro, what the fuck? What the fuck is that price action, bro? Honestly, what the oh, bro. What the fuck is that? Like, bro, what the fuck? Bro, every single time I've been one fucking trade away from passing all these accounts for the past 3 weeks or whatever the fuck it's been. 4 weeks, maybe, I don't know. Every single fucking time this happens. Every time. Oh, now it's pushing because news has just hit, yeah? PMI, Cumin. I feel like just pressing the buy button and just fucking self-sabotage it. Just fucking blowing the accounts on purpose because I'm just fed up, but... Genuinely though, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Why Nasdaq has been so inconsistent these past few weeks. Don't get me wrong, I've been profitable every single week but one for like the past 3 months. But like this is just, it's like just so shit. And the thing that pisses me off more than anything is I looked at YM and I saw this. I looked at YM and I saw, yo, YM's pushing up. And then that made me get into the fucking Nasdaq trade and FOMO into it like a sausage pot, bro. Which is stupid of me because there's a reason why I only look at one pair, and that's the reason. Do you get what I'm saying? That's literally the reason right there. I don't look at other pairs, or I stay away and I tell myself I'm not going to look at other pairs when I trade because it throws me off. I would have never got in that first trade. The second trade, maybe, yeah. And it came up. You know, the second trade did come up fucking 15 points. So maybe I would have got in that or potentially wait for a closure, but like, what the... I don't even know what to say, boys. This is such a shit video, because, like, what the fuck, but yeah, I'll post it anyway. You know what I mean? Taking another fucking L, but... This is what the week was looking like. No trade this morning on London session, and then today... Fucking break even for the week so far now. That's so annoying. So annoying. And look at that now. Yeah, now it wants to push the fucking little bitch, but... Oh, this trading thing. If there's one thing that'll mess up your fucking mental health, if there's one thing that'll fuck up your mental health, it's trading. Jesus Christ. Oh, bro, all I want to do is pass these fucking accounts, man. Because I know once I pass these accounts, I'm going down to a 0.5 risk. So that risking $200, $250 a day trade. And I'm fucking, I know, well, the probabilities I'm chilling, it's all good. Like in the long term, it's profitable. But fucking hell, what? Am I doing something wrong, bro? Of course.